Hello everyone, welcome back again. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to use mean and max function in SQL. So as the name suggests, the mean and max function is used to find the minimum and maximum value of some particular column. So the syntax to use mean and max function is first you will write mean, and inside this parenthesis you have to provide the column name, the column name of which you want to find the minimum or maximum value. Okay, so here you will write mean or max, and then inside the bracket you will provide the column name. So we will see directly the practical questions, so that these questions will be clarified. Okay, so in the first question it is asking that what is the highest and lowest salary among all employees. So to find the highest salary, we will use max function. Okay. So we will write select then max, and what for which column we want to find the highest value, salary. Then we will provide the column name salary, and then from the table name employee. Okay. So if we fire this query, we will get the maximum salary of employee, but we want the highest and lowest salary. So to get the lowest salary, we will again pass another mean function, and inside that we will pass the column name. Okay, so if we now run this, then this will give us both maximum and minimum salary of among the all employees. Okay, so now if we move to next question, which employee gets the lowest salary? So in the previous question, it was asking that what was the lowest or the highest salary. But in this question, it is asking that which employee gets the lowest salary. That means we want to fetch the all the information of that employee for which gets the lowest salary. So for that, we will write select star. Star means all the information from employee, and then we will filter according to the salary, where salary is equal to what is it is asking. Well, salary is equal to which employee gets the lowest salary. Okay, where salary is equal to minimum of salary. So what do you think, this will run or not? So let's try here. So if we run this query, you can see here that this is invalid use of group function. Okay, so here you cannot directly pass the mean of salary, you have to pass this inside a subquery. So because it was only at the mean of salary, but from which table it is getting the minimum salary, that's not defined. So we have to pass the full subquery inside this to get the proper result. So here we will pass select mean salary from employee. So it will first get the minimum salary from the employee table, and then it will compare with the salary column of that employee table. Okay, so now you can see that the employee with ID 6 have the minimum salary, and his name is John and Sina. Okay, so hope you have understood how to use the minimum and maximum function in the SQL to get the highest or lowest value of some proper column. So hope you have liked this videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.